Today, we learn the alphabet letter. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple. A is for ant.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
B is for ball.
Takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
B is for bat.
The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat takes the mouse, the cat takes
C
the
is for
mouse.
car.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse
C is
takes
for
the
carrot.
cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
D is for duck.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
D is for door. Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Please like and subscribe to my channel.